Good morning. Let's start the new session in which we will discuss the different parts of the alimentary canal. As in the previous session, we have discussed about the alimentary canal. So now we will discuss the parts of the alimentary canal. The very first part is teeth. What are teeth? An adult human have 32 teeth. As you know that in our mouth there are teeth present. This one is the upper jaw and this one is the lower jaw. So as I told you, in adult human, so 30 out of 32, 16 are present in upper jaw and 16 are present in lower jaw. These are of two types in human life. Means in the human life these are of two types. One is known as baby teeth or milk teeth. Another is known as permanent teeth. Baby teeth are 20 small teeth. They appear in the age of 6 to 7 months. They appear above gum line. जो ये जो गम लाइन है इसके ऊपर निकलते हैं, above the gum line. आपने सुना होगा commonly दूध के दांत. So these are baby teeth or milk teeth. How many they are? 20. When they appear? At the age of 6 to 7 months. Then permanent teeth. They replace milk teeth. Means milk teeth टूटने के बाद फिर जो teeth आएंगे they are permanent. They appear in the age of around 6 years. वो 6 to 7 month थे, ये 6 years में है. And they comes out from the gums. ये gum line के above ऊपर आए थे और ये gum line में से ही निकलेंगे. These are of four types. Incisor. You can see here, this one are incisor. This. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 are present in the lower jaw and basically these 4 are present in the upper jaw. So they help in the cutting of food. हमें कोई भी चीज कट करनी होती है तो इनसे कट करते हैं. Canines. You can see here canines. So these canines are present here. 1 and 2. ये जो इधर present है, these are canines. Same they are present in the lower side. So 2 canines are present in the lower jaw and 1 and 2 canines are present in the upper jaw. Premolars. These two are premolars. ये दोनों क्या हैं? Premolars हैं. So premolars have been grinding of food. Food को छोटे छोटे parts में cut करने के लिए, grind करने के लिए काम आते हैं. And the same function is of molars. These three are molars. So देखिए, 4 incisor, 1 और 2 means 5, 6 हो गए, 6 हो गए canine को मिला के, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 हो गए premolars को मिला के, 11, 12, 13 and 14, 15, 16. ये हो गए molars को मिला के. So 16 are present in lower jaw and 16 are present in upper jaw. Now the next one is tongue. It have taste buds. हमें taste का पता tongue से चलता है. देखिए different areas are there on which different taste we can observe. Sweet at the tip, salty at the side, sour just behind the salty taste, and bitter that is at the near about the base of it. So these are the different sides of the taste bud. They help to identify the taste inside the food. With the help of tongue, the food which is churned by the teeth, the tongue help to mix the saliva which is present inside our food. This tongue help to mix the saliva inside the food. And from the mouth, food enter into food pipe, that is esophagus. It help to push the food downward. ये एक लॉन्ग ट्यूब है और फूड को नीचे की तरफ पुश करने का काम करेगी. I can show you in this slide. This one is esophagus. So this esophagus help to push the food which was present in the mouth, from mouth it transfer it to the stomach. So esophagus help to transfer the food. Then food enter into stomach. In the stomach, it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. सबसे बड़ा part है. Its lining secrete gastric juice. गैस्ट्रिक जूस इसको इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि ये गैस्ट्रिक एरिया में निकलता है, और जूस इसलिए बोलते हैं बिकॉज इसमें लिक्विड में कुछ ऐसे एंजाइम्स का सिक्रीशन होता है जो हमारे फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने में हेल्प करते हैं. इट कंटेन म्यूकस which protect the lining of stomach, HCl which kill the bacteria and provide acidic medium for digestion, and it contain a protein digesting enzyme. That enzyme help to digest the protein into amino acid. Means हमने खाया प्रोटीन था, लेकिन इस एंजाइम की हेल्प से वो प्रोटीन किस में चेंज हो जाएगा, एमिनो एसिड में. देखिए HCl is an acid which is harmful, but it is required to provide the acidic medium, क्योंकि प्रोटीन डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम एसिडिक मीडियम में ही काम करेगा, अदरवाइज नहीं काम करेगा. तो HCl की इम्पोर्टेंस है, बट HCl ज़्यादा निकलने की वजह से कई बार हमारे स्टमक की वॉल को हार्म होता है. तो स्टमक की वॉल को उस हार्म से बचाने के लिए हमारी स्टमक की वॉल में क्या निकलता है, म्यूकस, विच प्रोटेक्ट द लाइनिंग ऑफ द स्टमक फ्रॉम द एडवर्स इफेक्ट. जो उसका हार्मफुल इफेक्ट है HCl का, उससे बचाएगा. वैसे HCl बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये बैक्टीरियाज, हार्मफुल बैक्टीरियाज को किल करता है और साथ ही एसिडिक मीडियम प्रोवाइड कराता है इस एंजाइम के डाइजेशन के लिए. In the further slide, I will show the questions related to the milk teeth and permanent teeth. There are only 3 points, but I want that you will add 1 4 point about the milk teeth, that they appear above the gum line, and in the permanent teeth you write down here they appear in the gum line, from the gum line. These are the different type of teeth which I have discussed with you. So the question is there. State the function of incisor, premolar teeth. In the previous slide, you have to write down only the name of the teeth, and in this you have to write down the function of the teeth. Role of acid in the human stomach, so as I told you. And this one question which is here, either we will discuss it later, but you can copy the answer and then I will discuss it with you. You have to draw the digestive system. You can copy it from the very first slide. This one, you can copy the diagram. This one diagram is there. So this session is completed, and I will discuss the rest of the questions and the slides in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Goodbye, students.